here are the ingredients for the tartar sauce. So these are what I use for my tartar sauce, and I have here some cucumber pickles, some clove of garlics, and then fresh dill, lemon, and I add maybe a tablespoon of mustard and a tablespoon of relish and mayonnaise, of course, and then a pinch of salt. So usually I chop them by hand very fine, but today I'm going to use this blender. So I'm going to just put everything in there, blend all my ingredients before I add these three things. I'll show you how that is. So here the blender didn't do a really good job, so I just chopped it a little more. I like it really fine, so you can see it here. And I already squeezed half of my lemon on it. So as you can see, you can chop it however you like, if you want it really fine or you want it in chunks, but I think this is good. So to that I added a tablespoon of relish and tablespoon of mustard and teaspoon of salt and 7 tablespoons of mayonnaise to the greenish that I blended. So I'm gonna mix it, and it's really up to you how much mayonnaise do you want. Do you want it more green or do you want more mayonnaise? And you can just always add extra. So I'm going to mix this all and I'll show you how it looks. If you need to add more mayonnaise or you want to keep it this way, it's really up to you. So here, this is how it looked after I mixed it all. And as you can see, you can keep it this way if you like more green, but I added 2 more tablespoons of mayonnaise. And I just want it to be not too greeny. You can put it in a jar in the fridge. It lasts us a good month or two. And you know, it's a tartar sauce, so you can eat it with any kind of fish, burgers, sticks, fish sticks, or whatever you like. It actually tastes so good. And so this is how it looks, and try making it. And I hope you enjoy making it, eating it, and thanks for watching.